Alright, most of the hardware is on to the front. Handles on. In retrospect, I should have just ordered new hardware for that. That's chipping like crazy like I thought, but what are you gonna do? Now these are hard to go on. I gotta get larger rivets. I have no larger ones than that. Thicker ones, because the holes are a little big there for the rivet to put it through. Pops right through once I get it in. And some of the other holes are a little big, so I had to use washers to help hold them in, but they're holding. So just wait a few days to get more rivets. But like I said, gonna get larger, thicker ones than those, just to put them in. Alright, now here is the finished product. Alright, now these latches, don't ever paint them. I know I said I was just going to paint them, wasn't going to use it much, but just putting them on makes it chip. So, yeah. Anyway, it looks good on the inside. See the drawers, that one had all the rust, and took most of it off. You don't notice it really much. And all the drawers look good. They still lock, of course. And you can't see on the inside because, you know, it's the inside. And I knocked off as much rust as I could from the inside. Got it mostly off and then painted it with Rust-Oleum. Put the label back on. It'll hold eventually. I just glued it on. Now I gotta touch that up down there. The bottom looks good. I painted with that truck bed liner all the way around and underneath. And what I'm going to do though is order new latches and just replace them because they look horrible. Underneath, oh yeah, I got to touch that up too. Underneath doesn't look bad. That's just something that stuck on there. Anyway, but thanks for watching and seeing me restore this thing. That is my favorite color anyway. And figured if I was going to repaint it, might as well change the color. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.